Welcome back to the Masculinities Group Dialogue. This is the final episode of Winter Quarter 2021 and want to highlight some of the events that we have coming up. And to start us off, we have Nick here to tell us about an event happening this Tuesday and next Wednesday.
Hey, what's up, y'all? So we got a couple pretty fun events coming up. The first one is actually tomorrow, as we're recording it today, on Tuesday, February 23rd at 6 p.m. For our keynote in conjunction with Black History Month. We're hosting author, activist, and just all-around brilliant person, DeRay Mckesson. So we're going to be looking at the intersections of Blackness, masculinities, and activism. It's going to be a moderated Q&A, and then we're going to actually open up for a Q&A with our audience. So yeah, I'm really excited about it. I think it's going to be an awesome event. And if you've ever heard DeRay speak or listened to his podcast, Pod Save the People, he's an incredible person, brilliant mind, and a really engaging and thoughtful and insightful person. The other event is the following Wednesday on March 3rd at 12 p.m. We're doing an event in conjunction with International Women's Day. It's called #ChooseToChallenge Photo Workshop. And we're going to be talking about the International Women's Day theme, which is Choose to Challenge, and talking about being in solidarity with the movements. And then they have a photo opportunity where you can take photos and upload it to their website to show solidarity. So that's going to be our workshop on Wednesday.
Thank you, Nick. Those should both be fantastic, and I'll include links down below for more information on both of those. Now here's B to share a little bit about Manifest.
Hi, everybody. So this is an update pretty far in advance, but every spring quarter, M&M puts on an art gallery called Manifest. So we're getting started with planning that. So make sure that you keep an eye on our Instagram page for prompts, which should be out within the next 2 weeks. And yeah, we're really excited to see all of your art submissions.
Thank you, B. And do make sure to look out for those prompts. They're going to be really great, and we're going to have a great Manifest this year. And finally, returning for the first time in a live virtual format is Pass the Mic, which is happening on Thursday, March 4th from 5:30 to 6:30 p.m. This will be an opportunity to join other students and engage in conversations to illustrate the intersections of masculinities, race, and ethnicity. This will include a guest speaker section, facilitate group discussions, and a final open mic portion where you can share your thoughts and ideas on masculinities and your identities with your peers. In addition to this, we will have a raffle event, which there will be several prizes provided by the San Luis Obispo community, which is really exciting. But there will be a registration link for this event, so do make sure to register if you would like to attend. I'm looking forward to it, and I hope that you can make it. So that wraps up this episode. I will leave plenty of links down below if you're interested in any of these events or want to learn more about our program. As always, thank you for watching and stay safe.